Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee at ChemEng. I'm here with the amazing Matthew De Dominicis, all right, who just finished off a very successful second year,
Yes.
right? So a Dell scholar, very humble, very accomplished, and now to add to your existing list of achievements, all right, besides the journal paper which you led, all right, it's coming out very soon. People are interested. Is you are a summer vacation research internship scholar.
Indeed.
All right, yeah, that's right. VRI. So congrats on getting the scholarship. And I have to do all this because Matt's never going to talk himself up. All right, so this is for the record. But we're building something interesting.
Yes, we are. We're building the digital textbook initiative, and it's sort of an interactive textbook for students to see what resources are available to them as part of their degree and upskill themselves in various ways, which the units themselves just don't have the time to do.
That's right. Yeah. So some of the things, like you're going to help us, we're going to do a lab walkthrough.
Yes, which we're doing right now in the lab.
Yep.
And we're also doing I'll be creating some crash course workshops for software like Jump and Power BI, and also for computational fluid dynamics, CAD, 3D modeling, sort of the key skills of any engineer, but especially for chemical engineers, because these skills don't necessarily get taught in the units, there just isn't the time. And so it's important for students to have the ability to learn themselves if they're keen and upskill themselves for consultation and industry.
That's right, yeah. And you're also helping to set up our new Sydney Journal, Interdisciplinary Engineering, right? So those papers come out live very soon.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. It'll be good to sort of showcase what the students themselves are doing and how they've written, and give them a platform to get started on publishing early.
That's right.
I'm excited for that, yes.
That's right. And it's all really interesting, very varied topics as well, right?
Indeed.
And on top of that, Matt is helping to set up basically, the beginnings of the consulting arm that we're trying to build here in chemical engineering, which looks very promising. And also, you are earmarked, you're going to help us write a paper on all our teaching innovations.
Yes, which will include the DTI, the journal articles. So it'll be big holidays for me. I'm looking forward to working on all this equipment, getting to know people and see how it goes.
All right, excellent. And thanks so much for being part of this, because it's always nice to build something that sort of, helps, more than just national, there's even international interest in this as well. So yeah, I will get anything signed by Matt real quick before it becomes famous. Matthew, thanks so much. I'm looking forward to working together.
Indeed.
All right.